up, YouTube? Leekautorepair. I think I'm at a calmer state today. I'm gonna chill. I ain't gonna say too much. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. So let's talk about the last video I did on this topic, and I said, you know, talking about my first day at work. We all know how that went, and I just keep always forgetting to look at the lens, not the fucking whole screen. But that'll be the last F-bomb y'all hear in this video too. That'll make me talk slower because I gotta prevent myself from cursing or whatever. So how was my first day at work? My first day at work was cool. I liked it. I'll let you know how everything went. You saw in the beginning of the video me pulling the transmission out of the shop. I was taking it over to the it was another shop right next door where the guy in there, he rebuilt all the transmissions and whatnot, like, you know, gut them out, change, blam blam, whatever. I don't rebuild transmissions. Let me say it again. I don't rebuild transmissions. No. I'll do engine work, cool, but I ain't doing no R&R only. So it was a Honda Pilot. Y'all know what a Honda Pilot is. If y'all want to know the year, I think it was like 2006 or 2007. That joint. So I took the transmission out of that joint. That was my first job when I got in there, and then, like I said, hauled it over to the next shop. The next job he gave me after that was that Volkswagen van that got the gay Chrysler 3.8 engine in it. The Rutan or Rutan or whatever you call it. I ain't no Volkswagen specialist. If you are, the spotlight is on you. Go ahead and shine in the comment section. Real shit. Wait, that'd be the last S word too I say in this video. So I caught myself, whatever. So, I like it. I like the shop layout. It ain't a big shop. It's not big at all. It could be like cramped just because the stuff is in the way. And, you know, they said they in transition to moving things around. 2 techs are leaving. And, I guess must have been a replacement for somebody. I can't be a replacement if I'm the shit, right? Just saying, damn, that's three curse words. I gotta chill. I think that's good for a 10-minute video. Three curse words. So, I can see myself definitely staying there. The schedule sweet. The schedule 8 to 4. It ain't 8 to 5, no 8 to 6, no 9 to 5, no 9 to 10, and none of that. Or when the job is done. No, when you get there, some guys get there. He said around 6 or 7, but the shift starts at 8. And guys out by 4 o'clock or whatever. Lunch is half hour, which is I don't even really care for lunch like that sometimes, but I guess they had the flat rate mentality. You don't, you know, just the whole lunch, just you lose time eating on flat rate because that's that time you could have used making money. That's real talk, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just caught myself. I was gonna say real S, you know what I mean? So I like it. 8 to 4, Monday to Friday, Saturdays 8 to 12. That's pretty fair. You get off in the afternoon. That's like, you know, you pick up a wrench, put it down, 4 hours went already, just like that. What else? Ain't that many employees in there. It was like 3 other techs in there. Everybody in there replacing transmission, so it's not like somebody in there doing something small. I think he did hire somebody to do like little quick, you know, Jiffy Lube type stuff, like tires and like basic general service type work or whatever. Yeah, I think he got somebody for that, but I didn't see him today. Maybe in the morning he was there, but for the most part, it was just the other 2 guys in there. They were just doing transmissions just like me or whatever. I could tell the owner, like, he likes me. He likes what I brought to the table. He was impressed. Like, the guy shook my hand after I pulled the transmission out of the Honda Pilot. Like, good job. Like he impressed. And when you can establish that type of foundation so it can form into like a good relationship, that's the type of bond you definitely want to have. So, you know, that's just, you know, that's good that, you know, to have somebody like that, you know. Working with somebody like that, it just, you never know what you might need, or, you know, he might be nice on something and look out for the cookout, or you might build like a good rapport on something. He might be clutch for something or whatever. I don't know. You might be clutch, vice versa, whatever. Always build a relationship. You know what I mean? A good relationship. Don't be building no crappy joints or whatever. Because Stop people hate each other for disagreeing all the time or whatever. So he just, I can just tell in conversation, he looking for somebody to like stay, and that's cool. I don't have nowhere to go. I know y'all asking me in the comment section too, like not asking me, but y'all saying like, when am I getting a shop? Like, what's going on? Like, to be honest with you, I don't see me getting a shop. Like, not right now. At least not this year. Maybe sometime if I grind right, if I do the math right. Ultimately, I just need startup money to get a shop. Like that I don't have. To be honest with you, I got crappy ass credit. Like I ain't, I'm a RN. If you know what a RN is, what's RN? Real nigga. I don't know what to tell you. People keep on texting me, bothering me and stuff about their cars. That's the part I don't like. Like, just people just bug me. That's why I be putting my phone on do not disturb, and people don't be thinking I be ignoring them. I just don't want to be disturbed. They just don't understand that or whatever. Stress me out about problems that ain't my goddamn problems. And that's why certain times of the day I don't want to hear about cars and stuff. So what else I'm just trying to get y'all. So what did I say? Yeah, I lost my train of thought. That's cool, but I like the job. Definitely see myself staying there. It's, get paid weekly, of course, and I play my music. Only thing I don't like is the cigarettes. I seen like it's two people in a shop that smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke cigarettes. I got asthma. That bothers me or whatever. Certain smokes and stuff. Now, the other smoke don't bother me, if you know what I'm talking about. But cigarette smoke bothers me. Like, it just hurt my chest and just hard to breathe through it or whatever. What else? It's not bad at all there. It's not bad at all there. And if I could come there every day, do transmissions. He said I want to be doing engines and transmission there. So if I come in there and do that every day, then I don't see what the problem is if I'm getting work. And we talked about pay again today. Like, I gave him my range, and we're gonna stick to that range. So hopefully tomorrow we meet in between to have a finalized pay on what I'm going to be getting paid or whatever. So once that's like finally, turn this computer on. Once that's finalized, then I don't see it being a problem at all. I know I'm gonna get, I'm not gonna get exactly what I wanted, but I told him from this range, from this number to that number, we stick in that range, we good. Now, the only thing that kind of like gets me a little bit is that if I'm doing the same type of work I was doing at the last shop, but the last shop was flat rate, but this shop is salary, I'm getting offered more money, like more money. I don't have to rush. I don't have none of that. You're just concerned about getting the job done and shit. For the most part, I don't have to rush, nothing like that. But it's far from the last job, and like I definitely see this like working out or whatever, man. Like, people there laid back, good conversation or whatever. I really don't have much to complain about or whatever. Like, I just was impressed by how I got an 8 to 4 schedule. And who gets 8 to 4 like that? I had a few jobs like that, but this, cool. I'm cool with this. You know what I mean? But let's get back to the shop part. So yeah, I just gotta, if I could get startup money popping, get my life together, get situated, cool. We all know what's gonna happen if I get a shop, because we know what Leek Auto could do. If Leek Auto gets a shop, that's a 1 + 1 equation right there. You know what type of time I'm on. You know how I'm gonna take off with it. I'm gonna lead a runway with it crazy. I'm like real talk. Like, so I just gotta get my marbles together. Like, I just gotta stop playing and focus and grind right. It ain't been an easy year for me. I'm not stop being selfish and talk about myself, but it ain't been easy this year. I'm pretty sure other people go through the same problems or whatever, but we all got a life outside of about our life beyond the camera. Like, everything ain't always jiffy as you think. So, when y'all say, we get a shop, do this, it ain't that simple. Like, it's steps. So I gotta make some type of initiation to, so I can get on that route. And I just pretty much I need discipline. That's what I need. I already know that I need discipline. That's the only thing that's missing in this equation to get in the shop. So if I can get the discipline I don't see why I won't have a shop. I'm dead ass. I got my delivery crazy. I bring the skill set to the table. Cool, that's cool. You know that already. I got my own clients or whatever. Just everything just out of order because I don't have a shop. But if I was to get a shop and all my folks know about it, and you know, I keep trying to get my buzz up in Philly or whatever, like in the suburbs, in the county or whatever. If I keep just doing that, man, I'm gonna be Gucci. Like I'm gonna be Gucci. That's real. So, just a quick vlog, just touching bases with y'all, let y'all know what's what, and you know, if I had like this job and y'all want, I gave y'all the answer. I like the job. I'm cool, whatever. It ain't like the last one. The last one I made an attempt to go to. Puerto Rican land up North Philly or whatever. Like, yo, the boy was like trying to micromanage or whatever. Like, yo, get out of my face, all that hair. I know people got trust issues or whatever, but I pressed the issue hard to the dude to the owner that I'm cocky. So when I say I do what I do, that's what you need to accept that and don't judge. No, I didn't say it in those exact words. I came off proper or whatever, but I was pretty accept. Trust what I say. And you good. You ain't got. I know you probably get a crap load of people coming in there and they ain't holding up to what they say they could do. You ain't gonna have that problem with me or whatever. Come ready. Come ready. So that's that. I'm pretty much running out of what to talk about because I don't want to continue doing any crazy editing. I'm already about to hit 12 minutes. So I'm Leekautorepair. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you guys subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, leave it in the comment section. Got any videos you want me to cover, advice, tips, tricks, whatever, leave it in the comment section. You want to buy a Leekautorepair shirt, if I can get this right here, Madman88, bro, I know you like you mad at me, bro. I gotta get this. Can I say, can you excuse my life, bro? Like, I'm being real with you, bro. Like, everything like out of order on my end. Like, so like I need to get in order. I need to get in order, bro. Life real, bro. I got your shirt though, bro. I got your shirt 2XL. I'm gonna get this joint to you. So tomorrow, see, Leekautorepair. See, tomorrow, I'm gonna get it to you. I'm gonna get it shipped out tomorrow, and I'm gonna get you that tracking number and everything, so that way you know when it's coming or whatever. So y'all want shirts? Couple of my folks grabbing shirts. Matt MD Lee 52, he grabbed his shirt. Got all kinds of sizes, and listen, he grabbed his shirt, showing support or whatever. Like, you want a shirt, $25 plus shipping. That's it. I don't make nothing off of it. It is what it is. Y'all just supporting me. That's all. So that's all I wanted to say. And after this, I still got to continue to work. I'm gonna do my part-time job because I have not been doing my part-time job, which is YouTube, editing videos. Like, I gotta edit low control arms I did on like a 2010 Mercedes GL 450, and it was front low control arms. They don't got that video out. I don't see nobody online that got a direct how to do it or whatever, and steps or whatever, and visuals. So I guess it's my time to be a trendsetter. So that's why I come in to play it. So good thing I got content. So I'm gonna get this content popping. Actually, it was edited already. I just got to do the voiceover now. So I'm going to get the mic out so I can record and lay the audio down, edit it out, make sure it's time right, and Gucci. So that's that. I was just touching base with y'all, letting y'all know what's what or whatever. But Madman88, man, I appreciate you for being patient, bro. Like I said, I'm going to get that to you because, you know, I bang with you heavy, bro. But, you know, you patient, bro. You know, original OG, you know what I mean? I wouldn't say day one subscriber, but I could say day one subscriber because I don't remember nobody from day one. I'm be real with you. Only person I remember like that, Mark, Solid Diagnostic. Yo, he was following me, I think, since I had like 50 subscribers, I think. Probably. I'm being real with you. It wasn't that many people that was following me like that, though. But cool. I remember you came in early though, so I you know, you banks with me, I banks with you. You know, I'm not gonna curse or whatever. I keep it because I'll tell y'all later. Like I'm just not gonna talk about that or whatever. But nothing bad. No, nothing bad happened. Just turning leaves and S. But I'm done because I'm about to cuss. I'll holler at y'all.